Mungururuo ni ukoretwo gitafanio ni ruhonge rwa guthurima wagiriru wa nduka cia wendia wa dawa ni ruo Pharmacy and Poison Board kauti-ini ya Nakuru thutha wa mateta kuma kuri muingi wigie dawa iria makoretwo makiamukira nduka-ini ici. Hindi ya mungururuo uyu mutongoria wa gikundi giki gia Pharmacy and Poison Board ndagitari Dominic ni augite ati nduka cia dawa 137 ni irikitie kuhingwo ni wale manyitikanite na mahitia gwikora hacike kuona andu makiria ma 45 ni marikitie gwikio ngono na riu ni mekuhingurirwo thitango.
We had managed to close down 137 premises in the said 5 counties. We have gotten one chemist that was found selling government drugs in Molo. The culprit has already been taken to court.
Ihinda-ini riu Kariuki ni atetete ati ekwirwo matikoretwo makiheo ihera riria magirire kuringana na ugwati uria makoretwo marorereirie muingi na uguo akoria kuru faini iria ekwirwo marahurwo no yongererwo.
If you charge me 10,000 fine and I make the 10,000 in a day, I'll be very happy to go to court tomorrow because I know in the rest of the week I'll be making my money.
Akenya ni moretio gukoragwo mari maitho riria mathie nduka-ini o yothe ya wendia wa dawa niguo matikanae gwikora hatika-ini ya kwenderio dawa nduka-ini ta ici.
We license a premise, but then the person we find in that premise is a Form 4 leaver or a cousin or some guy who came from selling chako somewhere. In this number to 21031. It's free. You are not charged anything. And it will tell you if it is working or not.
Kameme TV. Waithira wa Gichohi.